Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali featuring onyx black with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 6.6 liter Duramax V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include power park brake, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, power sunroof, wireless charger, power tailgate, heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane change alert, parking sensors, hill control, rear view camera display, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows and powered mirrors that can fold in by clicking that button there. Some storage and cup holders along the bottom, as well as our premium Bose speaker, Denali badging along the side. And to the left of the driver's seat is the power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats with Denali stitched in at the top. Go ahead and step inside. To the left when you get inside is the power park brake, as well as optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, lighting controls, as well as LED cargo bed lighting. You can go ahead and start the vehicle. In the middle is the cluster with a digital speedometer. To the right of the steering wheel we have the cluster controls as well as Bluetooth controls. And to the left of the steering wheel is the cruise control with forward collision alert and heated steering wheel. We can go ahead and take a look at the infotainment screen. We can go to our audio here. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone for Bluetooth. Now we can go check out the navigation. Just gotta turn it on. And there it is. Just below that is the climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. Below we have some of the safety features, including lane change alert, our parking sensors, as well as our power tailgate, traction control and hill descent control, storage compartments below, as well as a cup holder. Also a USB-C and USB plug-in, and there is the wireless charger. Take a look at the center console. We can lift it up here. USB-C, USB plug-in, as well as a 3-prong plug-in. Storage compartment on top, and we can take that off to reveal even more below. We'll go ahead and take a look at our backup camera. As well as our rear view mirror. We can flick this button here, and it puts it into the camera display. Above that is the OnStar and SOS, as well as 2 dome lights and our sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof. And there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are wheels with Denali center caps, Denali HD badging along the bottom, chrome door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows, some steps on the side, and corner steps as well on the back. We can go ahead and open it up by simply double clicking. It opens up for us. And there's tons of storage space back here. Moving on to the rear interior, here's the door with powered windows, some storage below. Here are the seats. We can lift them up for some extra storage. We can go ahead and step inside. Magazine holders on the back of both seats. Cups at the back of the center console, and here's the rear heated seats, as well as the main rear vents and the USB-C, USB plug-in. Dome lights at the top and handles on either side. Right here in the middle as well. We can drop that down for a cup holder / armrest. And here's what the view looks like. Very comfortable and very spacious. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick